Hi everybody, it's Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to be doing Module 1, Lesson 33. Where it's going to be a little bit different than our past couple lessons where we've been working on word problems. Today I want to focus on, we're going to keep practicing one less than a number, and then we're going to start working on what is 0 less than a number, okay? And we're going to turn those into addition problems. To warm up, I want to do the beep test though. That's where I say a couple numbers and then I say beep and you put the number in place of the beep. So for example, like last time I said 1, 2, 3, beep, you would say 4 because it would normally go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Last time we did it by counting by tens. This time, we're only gonna count by ones, but I'm gonna be counting backwards or down, okay? I'm gonna start it, I'm gonna use the numbers in between 10. So get ready, listen for the beep and replace it with a number. 3, 2, beep. Think you know it? Use your fingers to help. 3, 2, 1. Our answer is 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's try another one. Ready? 10, 9, 8, beep. Think you know it? Listen for it. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7. Who got 7? Raise your hand if you got 7. Give yourself a pat on the back. Great job. All right, here's another one. 5, 4, 3, beep. Use your fingers if you need to. 5, 4, 3, beep. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. How about 9, 8, 7, beep? Think you know it? 9, 8, 7, beep. 6, 5, and 1 is 6. All right, let's do one more and we'll move on. All right, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, beep. That was a long one. 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. If you guys got that, great work. If not, just keep practicing it. It will come. All right. So for today's lesson, you definitely need something to write with, something to write on. And if you don't have that, pause the video, go grab it, come on back. I'll be right here. Otherwise, let's do it. What I need you to do right now is to draw 10 circles on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper, whatever you're drawing on. And I want you to draw them like mine. So 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10 circles. Okay, I'll let you finish that up real quick. All right. If you need more time, pause the video, or we're going to move on. So we have our 10 circles here. Right now, what I want you to do is take one of them away. If you can't take them away, cross them out. I'll cross them out. Ready? So we're going to take one away. Cross it out. Now what I want to do is write a number sentence that goes along with what we just did. So, you might be thinking, well, what did we just do? I'll show you this one. You guys show me the next one. So we started with 10, so I'm going to write 10. And then I crossed 1 out. So if I crossed 1 out, or if I took 1 away, am I getting 1 more, or am I losing 1? I'm losing 1. So if I'm losing 1, I know I'm not adding or using a plus sign. I'm going to be using a minus sign. So I had 10 minus the 1 I crossed out. And how many am I left with? What's 1 less than 10? If I have, without counting all those up, if I have 10 fingers up and I take away 1, now I have 9. Because think about it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 9 is right before 10. So if we take 1 away, we have 9. If you don't believe me, let's count them just so I can prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. We had 10 minus 1 equals 9. So now we have 9 circles up here. We're going to say this isn't a circle anymore. We took it away. So now we have 9 circles. What I want you to do is take another one away. Cross out another one. I'm actually going to erase that. All right, so now we had 9 and we crossed out one of them. What is this number sentence that we just created? How many circles did we start with? 9. And then we crossed one out. So did we add a circle or did we take one away? We took one away. So are we going to be using a plus sign or a minus sign? The minus sign, because this means we're taking away. How many circles did we take away? 1. So we write 1, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 1 second. Okay. Now what I want us to do is take so now we have 8. I'm going to erase this one because we don't have that one anymore. So now I had 8 and I took another one away. Do the same thing. What is our number sentence going to be? We started with 8 and we took something away. How many did we take away? 1. How many are we left with? If we have 8, what comes right before 8? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 1 away from 8. We must get 7. All right, now we have 7 circles up here. So now we have 7 up here. Guess what I want you to do? Take 1 away. Exit out. So now I know we started with 7, so that's definitely our first number. And we took 1 away, so we're using the minus sign, not the plus sign. How many did we take away? 1. And if we take 1 away from 7, how many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And I know 6 is the number right before 7, so it must be 6. All right, so now we have 6 beads. Actually, hold on. We're going to stop there. So that's where we just did a bunch of practice with minus 1 or 1 less. 2 different ways of saying the same thing. Okay? 1 less than 7 is 6, or 7 minus 1 equals 6. All right, now what I want you to do is either draw... Oh, I shouldn't erase those. Go to another spot on your piece of paper where you can draw 10 circles again. Draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, take a couple seconds and do that. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video, take as much time as you need. But we all have 10 circles up here. We were just practicing on minus 1 or 1 less than. Now I want to practice with 0 less than. So this is what I want you to do. We have 10 circles up here. X out or take away 0 of them. Do I have to do anything? If I'm trying to take away 0, how many am I left with if I take away 0? I'm still left with 10. So let me show you what that number sentence is going to look like. We started with 10. We took away 0. And we are left with, am I left with the same amount? Yes, I am. So we have 10 still. Remember, any number minus 0 is still that number. So this time our number is 10 minus 0, it's still 10. Okay? All right. Let's practice a different one now. Now what I want you to do is erase one of those circles. How many circles do I have up there now? I have 9, because 10 minus 1 is 9. We just did that one. So now we have 9 circles up here. I want you to take away 0 of them. What's it going to look like? Am I going to cross any out? Nope. We started with 9. I took away 0. How many am I left with? Still 9. Any number, which is 9 this time, minus 0 is still that number. It stays the same. Okay. I want you to practice this one, and then I'll write my answer on the board and you can check your answer. So I'm taking one more circle away from here. So now we have 8 circles up there. And I want you to cross out 0 of them. And then write down a number sentence that shows what we did. So we started with 8, we crossed out 0. How many are we left with? All right, let's check our work. So if we started with 8, we write 8. Then I asked you to take away 0, so hopefully you wrote minus 0. And then if we have 8, we take away 0 of them, or none of them, we still have 8. Alrighty, we get that? I hope so. If not, let's practice one more time. All right, this time I want you to start with 5 circles. So just one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to start with 5, take away 0 of them, and tell me how many we have left. And write a number sentence. I'm going to give you like 10 seconds to do it. Okay, go ahead. All right, you think you got it? I'm going to write it on the board. You check your work. All right, check yours with mine. 5 minus 0 equals 5. We started with 5. I told you to take away 0, so take away 0 or minus 0. And if we do that, we still end up with 5. All right, good job. We did a lot of work with minus 1 and minus 0. Those are going to be something that's going to be super easy for you guys once you get the hang of it. But it might be a little challenging until you do. That's okay. Math's challenging. So you guys are going to practice that a little bit more with your exit ticket and your quiz. Sorry, I'm losing my words right now. And you guys are going to keep getting better and better, and we're going to keep working on that as the year goes on. So good job. Good luck with those things, and keep working hard. You guys are awesome. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.